beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Is your girl Mama? What's up? If today is your first time stopping by to my channel, you are highly welcome. In this channel I do cooking, lifestyle, hairstyle, talk videos and more. And if you have any suggested videos you want me to make, please kindly drop it at the comment section down below. And to my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much for always coming by, for always watching my video. I really appreciate you guys. I never take any one of you for granted. So without wasting much of your time, let's go straight to today's video. I'm making a muffin from the kindergarten. We got the recipe from the kindergarten. Is an assignment for my kids. They gave them to do in the kindergarten. They should do it at home. So I'm just going to be supervising them on how to bake the cupcake. So stay tuned guys and continue watching. Hope you enjoy watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, share and drop your comment at the comment section. Tell me what you think concerning this video. Yeah, I would like to hear your thoughts on it. So stay tuned guys, and I hope you enjoy watching, and feel free to share my videos. Yes guys, it's a way of helping your girl. So God bless you as you watch this video to the end and see how it comes out to the end. Thank you. So I will drop the recipe at the description box. Yes, so continue watching. So first of all, we are using a recipe from the kindergarten. Yes guys, so we are going to be using 100 grams of butter, 250 grams of flour, 100 grams of sugar. So guys, I will drop it. I will drop the recipe on the description box, so stay tuned. So first of all, we have our flour in a bowl. We are going to add our baking powder and the sugar. Yes guys, so to make these muffins you need butter, milk, sugar, pinch of salt, yeah, and the baking powder with eggs. We are going to be using 2 eggs guys, and this quantity, this recipe is for 12 muffins. Yeah, we are going to bake 12 muffins. So without wasting much of your time, we are going to start by adding our dry ingredients together. So let's get started. So I'm using vanilla sugar. Yes, I'm going to use vanilla sugar. My kids are just pouring off all the sugars. Yes. So now we'll finish adding our sugar. So we are going to add a pinch of salt. Yes. So we've added our salt. Now we are going to add one spoon of baking powder. My kids are just distracting me with this video. They are trouble. You know, when you are teaching kids how to do something, it's not easy. So we are going to use 1 spoon of a teaspoon of baking powder guys. I'm so distracted on this video because the kids are just running around. So now we are adding our baking powder. It's a tablespoon of baking powder guys. So we are going to mix it together. Be careful so that you don't pour it on the floor. So now we are going to add our butter. We are using 250 grams of butter. Yes. So now we've added our butter. We are going to mix right now. So we are going to mix. I have to help them and mix it. You know, they are kids, they are just scared of the noise. So now we are going to add our eggs. So right now we are going to mix. So right now we are going to add 6 spoons of milk. Put it to pour it. These children, it's not easy with them. Pour it. So we poured 6 spoons of milk. Yes, guys. So now we are going to mix. My daughter did not plug it.
Let's have the food.
So after mixing, you have to make sure you mix it very well, guys. You can see it has formed the dough we needed. So now it's time to bake. We are putting it in the cup. So guys, they have finished this set. Yeah, so we are about to put it in the oven right now. Yes, with 180 degrees. Yes, it's in the oven now. Yeah, we're about to bake it. Cake is ready. I ended up baking it for 20 minutes. So here is our Muffins cake. So hope you enjoy watching, and don't forget to like this video if you love what you just watched, and give me a big thumbs up. Yes guys, you can see how yummy is looking. Yes, so hope you enjoy watching. See you in my next video. As of now, I am out. So you can see the smoke coming out, very yummy and tasty. Bye.
Yo.